Hey, welcome to Ozark 180. Well, I bet you guys are wondering, same as I, where's that tractor from the last video I posted? When's this guy gonna get his tractor? Well, that's what we were wondering too. So we called up the dealer and they told us there's some kind of a steel shortage, supply chain issues, and that was gonna take a little bit longer. And that was back in November. Now it's February. So hopefully we will be able to get a tractor this month and start putting that guy to work. And there's a lot of stuff to do here on the Ozark 180. We can be a little bit more patient, get the tractor that we wanted, and get started producing videos for all you tractor enthusiasts. Be sure to like and subscribe. Hit the bell if you want to get notified when I start posting the videos.